against the 6R80 GT tuned by Lund. My bet is on Joel. Got out of breath because I just ran all the way over here, but okay, it's worth it. He's gonna gap this fool, watch. Nine, 7.4. Boom. Ecoboost for the win again. So Joel has been dialing in the suspension and it's been working, right? You could see it. 7.4, bro. I want you guys to do that in an automatic. Bet you can't. Drive them off for the win, baby. SoCalEcos for the win, baby. Subscribe and like for the win, baby. So what's the plan for the next trip?
Well, two-step and then we'll see what that happens. I'll be more consistent because I'm not guessing and then take it out. I just like boom, take off. That's it. So that's gonna be two-step and then dial in the suspension on the two-step.
Yeah, just ask Adam for a little more on mine.
Ask him a little more. No, we're gonna ask Ryan. No, that's it. No, it's done. We're gonna throw the suspension down and that's it. Suspension working.
You hear that, Ryan? We need more sauce, Ryan, or else Papa Adam's gonna come in.
We'll come back. We'll be faster.
But okay,
They came up with that before there was a high pressure pump.
but like I don't want to use auxiliary fuel system. So if I do that,
Oh, you might have to.
okay, then do that.
Actually,
The return system.
With the injectors, I think we should wait and see.
Yeah.
Once you put the pump in the injectors,
I'm just gonna like max it out how I have it.
like once you put the pump, the injectors on the low side,
Yeah.
we'll tune it and see what Adam tells me.
Ryan tells me.
And then we'll go from there.
Yeah, we'll see. 9 seconds. Coming soon, guys.
9 seconds or
That's
bust.
right.
Yeah, you need something else. Maybe.
We're gonna have to fucking build tranny. A lot of feria, homie.
Gotta pay to play.
Esto no es para todos, viejon.